Is that the camera for bending gears?
This is the camera for bending gears. But you know, behind the bending gear camera is not the actual person, right?
Oh, really?
He's still slacking, bro.
Oh my god, he was. When I seen him, I was on Instagram and he said he was coming out here, so
Yeah.
that's why I'm asking. I think he just clickbaiting. Really.
Yeah. That's exactly what he did, man.
Get me, bro. I came out here all the way just to meet him.
Yeah. Nah, once he did it again, man.
Yeah, I guess so. Like making a fucking movie.
That's it, baby. Talking shit to the owner of Bend Them Gears, man. Ahora, ¿qué trabajito yo he hecho para vender guía, papi? ¿Ah?
No, I think officially, I think you should just take
over?
You should take over Wolfpack Production.
Okay.
And you should take over Bang Bang Gear.
Let them know. Let them know.
Come on,
Huh?
man. You work in what, 24 hours a day?
24,
basically,
papi.
And
Well,
you still came
28 and a half, but we'll do
out.
24.
You still came out, and they're both of them jobs.
You understand?
know what I'm saying?
It's at, what is it, like 9 o'clock at night right now?
Son como las 10.
Como las 10. Y todavía estamos aquí, ¿ah?
Todavía estamos aquí.
Huh?
I think Nando Bang Bang Gear is too hard.
Yeah. Nando, yo creo que Nando todavía tiene un...
The rod bang through the block.
Yo creo que Nando todavía tiene un trafiquito ahí en la pista.
Oye, pegaron la pista y los carros todavía están en la línea. La lluvia que está cayendo y esta puta vía ahí ahora mismo están perdiendo de la
Ellos la vieron y estaban diciendo de que I think it's sick, dude, but yeah, right. It was like more like this thing.
But definitely,
Huh?
just take over both channels.
I got you, bro. Let them know. Let's do it.